How to turn on updates from friends, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on updates from friends, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings, notifications, and here you will find updates from friends. Click on it and then just turn on SMS, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.